Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you again with another base makeup under my eyes recovery. As I said in the previous video, I'm gonna try all these base recovers concealer to see which one is worth for my eyes. So today I'm gonna use the NYX and Maybelline. And after I apply to this the eyes, both my eyes, so I'm going to tell you guys which one is better, which one is work with my eyes or not. So I go with another product. Before I started, of course, I'm going to take my glasses. I don't have no makeup, only I have a little bit of the lipstick. I always use Nivea moisturizer cream. So I'm going to use this for my for my face. So after I moisturize my face, I'm going to use these two to see how's it work. I put too much. Ew. Kind of a little bit messy because I have to do it by myself. I never stay front of the video and do it with myself. So my skin, because it's dry, it used to be a normal, but since I live in the state is very cold, so my skin kind of dry, so I have to put a lot of moisturizer in my face, so in order the makeup stays good. So as you see, nothing on my face, nothing on my eyes. So I'm gonna apply these on my face. I think I put enough in my eyes for that. So let's see. Okay, this is for NYX, so I put the base, nothing on my face to see how it look like. So now I'm gonna go with the Maybelline. I'm gonna use the Maybelline to see how's it. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one on my other eyes. Oopsie. Okay, I'm done. If you can bring the camera close to my eyes so you guys can see the difference. Both it was same shade. but I'm gonna tell you which one, because as I see my face, I'm gonna tell you which one is better. This is a NYX one and this is a Maybelline one. Both it's okay, but as a price, I think the Maybelline is less money. But my idea, I suggest to go with NYX, because this is, as I see, stays with my skin and I don't see that much wrinkle on it, and I'm positive if I put some eyeshadow on it, it's gonna stay good. This is a little bit lighter, but I think this is the what the lady was there suggest me to pick up this. But as you see, when I close my lashes, you see it's a line. So I put both of them same amount, but this one, as you see, is a line when you open it and close it. And I'm sure if you put the, because I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I do the makeup for myself, so I'm sure it's gonna show with the eyeshadow. So this is for two, so absolutely yes with NYX, and this one is okay too, but I go with NYX. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use makeup cleaner. This is the new one. It said it's gonna remove the mascara waterproof. So I have a mascara waterproof. I'm gonna put some on to see if this is really remove it good or no. Okay, I put a little bit, so to just show you guys, because I don't want to put no makeup right now, so I just want to show you. So I'm gonna take two. Okay, that's big, I thought it's small. So this one I'm gonna use for this part to see how it cleans. Okay, because as I fold it, so I show you guys, it's clean good, but this side is clean. So I'm going to fold it again. I'm going to go one more time on it to see if we see anything on it or not. Cleans good. Now I'm going to show you another part. I'm going to take another ribbon to see if really take off the waterproof mascara or no. This, so I'm going to use it again to see if it cleans good, if I see any dark. Another part, another fold. No more. So absolutely yes for this Olay cleaners. So this is a very good makeup remover. So you guys can buy this anytime you want. I suggest you, it's good, and this is not that much expensive. It's $4 is the price. So yes to this. Today, thank you for you guys watching my video. Please like, comment, and share. And if you use this product and I don't know nothing about it, you guys leave a comment for me. So absolutely, I'm gonna read you guys comment. Thank you for watching us. See you on the next video.